why you wear wrong shoe size and what shoe last size you need to make bespoke footwear. Most of us wear wrong shoe size because major footwear brands produce their shoes working with their own standard shoe last sizes. Now, what is a standard shoe last? In general, shoe last is a copy of our feet with slight difference in the sum of parameters, but it has main two parameters: length and width. The length of your feet will define the shoe last size you need to work with to make shoes, and actually the shoes that you will make will have same size. For example, if the length of your feet is 24 centimeters, your shoe size is 37.5. Now, the main problem here is with the second parameter, the width of your feet and width of the shoe last. Because some of you have wide feet and some of you have narrow feet, but the length is the same. So, footwear brands can't make all this width for each size, and they choose to make something in the middle, let's say average width. And this is what I called standard shoe last that has this average width. That's why new students of mine always surprised when they know what is the real shoe last size they need to get to start making bespoke shoes, because it doesn't match the shoe size they usually wear. If you want to learn how to measure your feet correctly to find the appropriate shoe last size for you to make bespoke shoes, to start making shoes, comment below this video and I will make simple shoemaking tutorial on how to measure your feet correctly. Now, if you want to see this upcoming tutorial and more tutorials that I will upload each week, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Thank you, comment below and see you in the next video. Bye!